Hey, what's up? Big Matt here with another video. This video has been requested for quite a long time. What I'm going to do today is how to install paddle shifters on a 2003 Honda Accord. So let's just get right into the car and I'll be back. Okay, so it might be loud because of the heat is on, but this is what we're dealing with. So basically I just got to install paddle shifters on this car. Turn this thing from an automatic to a manual, pretty much. So yeah, basically this is it. So yeah, I'm gonna get to work on these paddle shifters and I'll be back when I'm pretty much done. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. Here's the paddle shifters right here. They were pretty easy to install. It did give me a little struggle with all the transmission and getting them on there actually was pretty difficult too. But yeah, there's my how to install paddle shifters on a 2003 Honda Accord. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe.